Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm back with the daily giveaway. Now today's prize are these three bags, three items. One is a huge bag of ribbons and cords. There's some crochet trim in there, some lovely crochet trim, that one is, some lovely satin ribbons, some sort of frayed fibres. We've also got a cute gorgeous stamp in there and these lovely button flowers. So that's your daily prize for today, and let's see who's going to be the winner. So as you can see, look, we have lots and lots of tickets in here. Now a lot of you have probably got 10 or more tickets in here, so just because there's a lot doesn't mean you're not going to win, because a lot of you comment every day and more and more are going in, and they stay in throughout the month unless you're pulled out. All your tickets will stay in here until the end of the month. So let's have a look, give them a mix round. Oh, let's close my eyes, and I have a ticket. So the lucky winner for today is number 110. So 110 is the lucky winner of these goodies. So don't forget, all you have to do to be in for a chance of my daily prizes is to comment on this video or any other of my videos, be a subscriber of course, and then your number will go in here. Please look out for your notifications on YouTube, so your activity, to see your ticket number, because I will be sending it as a comment to your a reply to your comment that you've left on a video. So number 110, who is the lucky winner of these goodies, please if you have this ticket, please email me your address details and I'll get these in the post for you. So well done, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.